me to eat. Ya ta ta ta. Bowl is nice and clean. Ya ta ta ta. Grab my favorite spoon. Ya ta ta ta. Polish it on my shirt. Ya ta ta ta. Milk is smelling fresh. Ya ta ta ta. Cereal gives me pep. Ya ta ta ta. It's moving by itself.
This message is transmitted requested by the United States Office of Civil Defense. North American Aerospace detected ICBM launched from North Korea. The first missile is expected to hit the Los Angeles, California area within 2 hours. The 2NF missile is expected to hit Chicago, Illinois area within 3 hours. The third missile is expected to hit New York City, New York within 3.5 hours. Anyone within a 400-mi radius is at a risk for significant fallout. Anyone, which is most of the United States, I need to see the nearest fallout shelter. Bring a battery-powered radio, bottled waters, canned foods, and other basic survival items. All TV and radio stations United States have ceased normal programming. President Biden is currently being transported to a secure location and all to be speaking soon. Please stand by. Information for your local area be announced shortly. Civil danger warning has been issued for the entire state of Ohio and northern Kentucky. There are within 400-mi radius of Chicago, Illinois, where the ICBM will be detonated in the approximately 3 hours. Fallout will reach Cincinnati within 1 hour of detonation. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local authorities will lead you to one. Please stand by for more updates. U.S. military has responded to North Korea's actions and has launched 6 nukes to Nanban, North Korea, and expected to impact North Korea within 3 hours.
Ya ta ta ta. Ghosts are in my bowl. Ya ta ta ta. Ghosts are in my bowl. Ghosts are in my bowl! Huh? Huh?